Ollama Launch is a new command to run Claude Code, Codex, droid, and OpenCode with Ollama locally without any API key with local private offline models. In this video, I am going to show you how you can do exactly that. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Please like the video and subscribe and consider becoming a member. Please also follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates without any hype. Few days back, I showed you how you can run Claude Code with Ollama without any API key. And now with Ollama Launch, Ollama has expanded it. Now you can not only run Claude Code but also various other coding agents as I mentioned. So let's get started. I am going to use this Ubuntu system. I have one GPU card NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. I already have Ollama running and my Ollama version, let me show you, is this 0.14. Now this new feature of Ollama Launch will not work with this, so you need to upgrade Ollama. For that, first download Ollama just with this command, and while it downloads it, if you're looking to rent a GPU on very good prices, you can find the link to Massed Compute in videos description with a discount coupon code of 50% for range of GPUs. I will also drop the link and 50% discount coupon code in video's description. And during upgrade, if you face any issues, just go to my channel, search with Ollama upgrade, watch this first video, and you should be able to fix all of the issues, not only in Ubuntu which I am using, but also in Windows and Linux. And you can see that our Ollama version is upgraded. Now we are running the required version. Now let's get the model. I am pulling this GLM 4.7 flash. For this model, you would at least need around 23 to 24 gig of VRAM, which I also showed you in this video when we ran it on Ollama on our local system. And I'm just using Q4 quad, by the way, with this one. So make sure that you have that much VRAM in order to run it quickly. Another thing is that it uses around 64K of context length. So that is very important. If you are using any other model, make sure that it has got that much VRAM with this. And context window is also 64K. Let's wait for it to get downloaded and then we will proceed further. Model is downloaded and now it is verifying the checksum. Sometimes I have seen that with this model, checksum is failing. If that happens, just do Ollama RM model name and download it again, and that should fix it. The model should be ready now. If I do Ollama list, you can see that the model is there. We can now launch Ollama Launch and configure our coding tool. You can see that you can use Anthropic's Claude Code, and you can use this Codex, which is OpenAI's coding assistant. You can use Droid, which is Factory's AI coding agent, and then OpenCode, which is open source coding assistant. So because we already have seen Claude, so maybe we can just go with OpenCode and then select it. I already have the GLM 4.7 selected, so I'm just going to select that, press enter, and it's all good. Now you can press tab here. I'll say yes, just go with it, and it is now launching the OpenCode. There you go. So same experience with all the coding agents with the local models and private models. And this is a VRAM. This model is checking at the moment on my system. You can see it is just under 19 gig of VRAM and it is fully running with my prompt. And I simply asked it to write me a hello world program where it is thinking what it needs to do, which is because GLM is a thinking model. And then it is, thinking is going on, chain of thought. It is asking me any, further requirements, and then it is planning. You can also use here tab to switch the agent, whether you want to build it or you want to just plan it. If you do control P, you can share the session, you can switch it, you can even switch the model. So if I go with switch model, this is another model which I was running earlier, but I'm just going to go with this. And these are a few of the other stuff which you can easily use. I think this is also from there. the cloud mode, but I'm not going to use it. I like Ollama better locally and free. Okay, so I pressed Control C to get out of there. Now instead of just launching and then configuring, you can even launch and configure at the same time. So Ollama Launch Claude, our coding assistant, and then the model name. It is going to launch and configure it. And it is going to ask you this, that whether you trust it or not. I'm just in my home directory. From here you just enter to confirm, and this is our Claude running. Model is selected, GLM 4.7 Flash. You can just ask it anything, like write me a hello world program. I'm not going to test, of course, the model or the tool here. You can check the other video which I showed you earlier for the specific purpose, and it has written me the code because I didn't specify any language. And then of course you can just keep pair programming with it, or vibe coding, or whatever they are calling it today. And if you just want to configure it without launching, they also have shared a command for it. Just use Ollama Launch. Let's say you can say droid and then config. Now you can simply configure that you want to go with this GLM, and it is going to configure that for you. And then you can launch it if you like, or you can just simply exit. I haven't installed droid there, so that is why it is giving me the error, but you can simply install it from there. And same thing goes with Codex. You just have to specify Codex there, and this is a good thing for the Claude, and the rest of it, it uses it quite simply. And again, just yes, there you go, because I haven't installed Codex as of yet. So for instance, if you want to install droid, all you need to do is to run this command. Of course, you would need to have node installed, and then you can launch the droid. And by the way, there is also a curl command to install droid. So I'm just going to press enter here, and then you can press continue. It is asking me for the prompt. I'll say yes, and now I want to launch the droid. Yep, it is asking me to log into droid. If I can also log in there, or I could just simply use the local one. So I'm just going to use the local one. You can also enter if you like. And by the way, I have done dedicated videos on all of the tools separately if you're interested in learning more about them. If you want to install Codex globally, you can use again this npm command to get it installed. And then you can simply launch the Codex with Ollama, and same steps again. So this is a good thing where you can use it with different coding agents. There you go. So our Codex is running. So look, I think Ollama has done quite well in terms of these. I don't know when they are going to be banned by all of these companies. I'm not sure. This might not happen, but we have seen very weird things in the space these days. Let me know, what do you think? Are you going to use it with local models? Why not? That's it. Please like the video and subscribe, and consider becoming a member. Please also follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates. And again, please become a member, as that helps. Thank you for all the support.